Staying at a hotel.
Are you staying at the hotel downtown?
Yes, I'm staying there until Friday.
Is it comfortable?
It's alright, but the Wi-Fi isn't great.
That's annoying. I hope it gets better.
Me too. At least the breakfast is good.
Taking a course.
Are you taking any courses this month?
Yes, I'm taking a photography class.
That sounds fun. Are you enjoying it?
Definitely, I'm learning so much.
Are you planning to take more classes?
Maybe. Let's see how this one goes.
Babysitting.
Are you babysitting again today?
Yes, I'm watching my neighbour's kids.
That's nice of you. How's it going?
It's alright, but they're full of energy.
I'm sure you're doing a great job.
Thanks, I just need a break soon.
Renting a car.
Are you renting a car while you're here?
Yes, I'm using one for the weekend.
That's convenient. What kind is it?
It's a small hatchback, easy to park.
Sounds perfect for a short trip.
Exactly, it's working out well.
Visiting family.
Are you visiting your family this week?
Yes, I'm staying with them until Sunday.
That's nice. How are they doing?
They're good, just busy as always.
Well, enjoy your time with them.
Thanks, I definitely will.
Helping a friend.
Are you helping Max with his move?
Yes, I'm packing boxes for him right now.
That's kind of you. How much is left?
Not too much, we're almost done.
Great. Let me know if you need more help.
Will do, thanks.
Staying in a dorm.
Are you staying in a dorm this semester?
Yes, I'm living there while I study.
How's the experience so far?
It's noisy, but I'm meeting new people.
That's a good way to make friends.
Absolutely, I'm really enjoying it.
Working part-time.
Are you working part-time these days?
Yes, I'm helping out at a café after school.
That's great. Do you like it?
It's tiring, but I'm learning a lot.
That's good experience for the future.
Exactly, it's worth the effort.
Learning a language.
Are you learning any new languages?
Yes, I'm studying French this month.
That's awesome. How's it going?
It's tough, but I'm making progress.
Keep at it. It'll pay off.
Thanks, I'm trying my best.
Temporary work.
Are you working here permanently?
No, I'm just filling in for someone.
Oh, how long will you be here?
I'm staying until the end of the month.
Well, I hope you enjoy it while it lasts.
Thanks, it's been a good experience so far.